Okay, start the program. Open the stat pro V8i, new project, space, length of unit, meter and force unit kilonewton. The file name is, and this is the 5 location. Next, add beam. Okay, open the structure wiser. This is the whole structure wiser. This is the snap node. I will off this. Geometric, and then run wiser. This is the frame model, surface plate, solid plate. This is the whole structure parameters are included in the stat pro. I will select, this is the frame model and pry frame. Okay, this is your building. Length is 10 meter and width in 10 meter and height in 6 meter. I will provide a two-story building. This is length respected to 3 and then width respected to 3. Apply. This is your building. Okay. First of all, I will go from the structural property. I will select this, the general, and this is the property structure. This is the define. I will consider this is the beam is rectangle and column is rectangle. I will select the rectangle and beam is 0.250 YD and ZD is 0.250. Add. Then column 0.350 YD and ZD 0.3.0. Add. Okay. And then slab thickness. This is select the plate element thickness. This slab is 0.125 meter. Add. Close. All parameters are included in this project. I will select this the beam, rectangle beam, and select beam parallel to x-axis, then select beam parallel to z-axis and assign to beam, assign. Then select, this is the column parameters, and repeat again, select and beam parallel to y-axis, assign to select, assign. Okay, this is the plate. I will create the plate. This is the z-axis, this is the minus z-axis, this is the minus x-axis, this is the minus y-axis. I will create the slab. Okay, I will go from the general meshing, and then first of all I will click this one node point, second node point, third node point, fourth node point, then fifth node point. This is length 10 meter and this slab length wise is 1, 2, 3 and width wise 1, 2, 3. This is the length wise slab is 3 span and width wise this slab is 3 span. Okay, then next point, and quadrantal meshing. Okay, this is the AB 10 meter, BC 10 meter, CD 10 meter, DA 10 meter. Okay, this is AB length 10 meter and division number 3 and again 3. Apply. This is the plate cursor, this is the plate, this is the plate. I will go the 3D view. This is the plate. This plate in creating the ground floor structure is respected to all the floor structure. Okay, then select the slab and transition repeat. This is the y direction, this is that spacing 10 meter, and this is the two-story building, the step 2. Then okay, this slab is creating all floors. Okay, then I will select the view of plus Z direction. This is the select, and this is the ground floor slab. This is the ground floor slab. This ground floor slab is not considered this project. I will see delete option. Okay, I will go from the 3D view of the structure. This is the slab, this is beam, this is column. Okay, then all plates are select and plate thickness, then assign to select plate, then assign. Okay, this is the 3D view. Support section, and create support and fix support. Then resistance the fx, fy, fz and mx, my, mz. All parameter resist and force and movement. Okay, this is the fix support. The support and select the all nodes and select to assign to select nodes and assign. Okay, this isometric view. This is the isometric view of the structure. Okay, then I will go from the load and definition and wind load. This is the wind definition, this is the wind and close, this is the wind add. Calculate as per ESC 7. This is category wind speed 4 and wind speed is 44 km/h. Exposure condition B and apply. In building main data, I will consider the building height in 6 meter and building length along the direction 10 meter within 10 meter. This is the unit setup, the meter, all are meter, and apply. This is the building design pressure. Apply. Okay, this is the respect to height and respect to this is the pressure. Okay, this is the height 0, is high, pressure is 0.0757 kilonewton per meter square. This is the ground level, and this is the 6 meter, and pressure will increase 0.0603. Okay, add. This is the factor, this is the one factor, add close. This is assign to view, assign and assign. I will create the wind pressure and wind intensity, close, and then I will go from the load case detail, add. This is the load is live load, and this is the LL, add. This is the dead load, this is the DL, add. This is the wind load, add, close. This is the live load of the structure, this is the moving load. Okay, add. This is the moving load, is the load from the floor load IS 875. The code is considered the residential building is live load minus 2 kilonewton, and maximum is 0, sorry, minimum is 0 and maximum. First of all, I will consider this building height is 3 meter and 2-story building then is 6 meter. This is maximum, sorry, minimum is 0 and maximum 6. Then add, close. This is the dead load. This is the dead load of the building. This is the dead load. I will 875 part 1. This is the consider of the self weight of the building. Okay, this is the self weight, the factor of safety -1 at, and this is the member load. I will consider this, assume this member load 5 kilonewtons, and at this is the floor load it minus 3 kilonewton, then add. Okay, this is the wind load. Okay, wind load at, this is the wind load, and x direction at, this is the minus x direction, and factor 1. This is factor 1. Why? I will consider, and reference to the code, this live load and divided by 2. This live load is considered 50% of the wind load. Okay, then live load, I will consider this live load 2, and then 2 divided by 1, then is 1. There is the this is the wind load. Okay, add, close. This is the wind load x direction. I will edit this wind load. This is the x direction, change. Then wind load is the z direction, add, close. This is the z direction, wind load is the z direction, is 1. Okay, and then -1, add, close. Okay, this is the live load of the structure. This is the live load. This is the dead load of self weight. This assigned to view. This assign the unit load. The assigned to view. This is the assign, and floor load I have already assigned. And wind load x direction. This is the x direction, and this is the minus x direction. This is the x direction, and opposite direction is the minus x direction. This is the z direction. This is the z direction, and opposite z direction is minus z direction. This is the minus z direction. Okay, then analysis, all, add, close, analysis, save. There is 0 error, 1 error warning, and 2 notes. Okay, this select the view output file, done. This is the result. This is total apply load 2, applied 3. This is the reaction. This is the all data show this the structure. Okay, thank you.